Order fulfillment is a vital component of running a successful retail business. Shopify POS offers integrated shipping solutions through partnerships with shipping suppliers to improve the fulfillment process and decrease manual tasks. By integrating shipping capabilities directly into the point-of-sale system, companies can streamline order processing, automate shipping label generation, and improve customer satisfaction. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS, focusing on how they streamline the fulfillment process, boost operational efficiency, and promote business growth. Simplifying order processing. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS make the order processing workflow easier for retailers. Shopify POS enables shops to generate shipping labels directly from the point-of-sale system by working with shipping suppliers. This interface removes the need for human data entry and lowers the chance of errors during the shipping label production process. Retailers can automatically obtain customer shipping information from Shopify orders, ensuring precise and consistent data transfer. Furthermore, integrated shipping solutions provide businesses with access to a number of delivery options and pricing. Retailers can evaluate shipping rates from various carriers from within Shopify POS, allowing them to select the most cost-effective and dependable shipping method for each purchase. Shipping label automation. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions simplify the process of generating shipping labels, improving the fulfillment process for sellers. Retailers can design shipping labels and rapidly shift orders from the processing stage to the shipment stage with a few clicks. Retailers save time and effort by automating shipping label generation. This allows them to concentrate on other important activities such as inventory management, customer service, and business expansion. Integrated shipping solutions also allow you to print shipping labels directly from your Shopify POS. Retailers may generate shipping labels, print them on label printers, and attach them to packages all inside the same system. This eliminates the need for additional label printing software or manual handwriting of shipping information, assuring efficiency and professionalism in the fulfillment process. Order tracking and notifications in real time. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS allow real-time order tracking and notifications, increasing transparency and customer satisfaction. When a shipping label is generated, retailers can automatically update the order status with tracking information. Customers receive email notifications with tracking information, allowing them to track the status of their orders. This real-time order monitoring function keeps customers informed and reduces inquiries about order status, enhancing customer satisfaction and decreasing customer care workload. Additionally, retailers can benefit from order tracking functionality within Shopify POS. They can track the status of dispatched orders, get tracking information quickly, and address any potential delivery concerns ahead of time. With this level of visibility, retailers can provide great customer support, quickly fix delivery issues, and assure a smooth fulfillment experience. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions smoothly interact with prominent shipping providers such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. Retailers can effortlessly connect their Shopify store to their preferred shipping providers, assuring reliable and real-time shipping updates. The scalability of integrated shipping systems enables organizations of all sizes to benefit from these features. Whether running a tiny online boutique or a large-scale retail operation, retailers may expedite their fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and deliver a uniform shipping experience to their customers. Integrated shipping options in Shopify POS enable companies to optimize the fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and improve customer happiness. Retailers may improve operational efficiency, save time, and focus on developing their business by streamlining order processing, automating shipping label creation, and offering real-time order tracking and notifications. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions provide retailers with the resources they need to provide a seamless and professional shipping experience, increasing customer loyalty and business success in the competitive retail industry.